Ya jamaa timali TikTok ndara hosi beka hanti tigarim niga reyasi gidin ki negre kume dele yani.
Huh?
South Africa.
South Africa. Where in South Africa?
Here.
No, I'm asking you where in South Africa. Not yet. This is a shop.
I'm South Africa.
Where in South Africa? This is
Ab
a
South
shop.
Africa hadelo awi comet ab South Africa comet family sidra grade kilo suya bal hadale family natwa ulo ilas visa gele na igeza ni vile tigezo de la supermarket kaidusi iji kab supermarket nda utausi zombal police zomu minkasa is adi aleka doilio muyotomi
Shop. Where in South? I don't want to see your ID. I'm asking you where are you from?
Iswa we aleni serezisu wadi South Africa windu ireyo tinyabo bal police create iderenium bwa
South Africa.
I'm South African. I'm telling you, I'm South African.
I'm not asking you if you're South African or not. I'm asking you where are you
Here
from in South Africa? Where were you?
Tishigrabe metu gelelo nigara ab Africa adna seb salam day you
Born?
Yeah. I'm South African.
Where are you from?
abe ad hayurium bwa isuha ane af South Africa we minkasa sireyum show abiwom
Stand this side. Home Affairs will come compare. This side.
ID number. Don't touch my ID.
You must not have an attitude, Wena.
Yeah.
You must not have an attitude. Come, Baba. Are you working inside here? Come.
itoma bushti supermarket zenebere sabat kulom sembidium ntai kweni zompal police zugebluzolo
Huh? No one will take it. We've got police surrounding this place. Don't worry. Come.
kulom abushti supermarket zenebere toto wa birom
My man, you
kof beru ndaberu kof beru show
sit down. Please sit down. Please, can everyone come sit down? Everyone come this side. Come this side. Hey, come this side. Hello? This side. Wena? We start up IT food when? We start up IT. This side. Come this side. All of you come this side. I want all of you to listen. That side. Please come this side. You can't run away, Baba. You are in here. Come this side. Come. I need you to listen to me carefully. My name is Kuduza and I'm from a show called Ex Deport from Moja Love. You know what deportation means, right? You know we have an immigration crisis in this country, ne?
show ntizom customer tries nebere ushti nisom try beriga tsowe mnerom izom ushti zinebere hade Ethiopia we hade Kenya we.
Where are the customers? Raise your hands. Come stand here. You must not lie and say you are a customer if you're not a customer, ne? Nanambo malapaya. Malapim bagolo ababalya. Are you a customer? Huh? Okay, so this customer thing is going to be a problem. It looks
Izom try do sabat sedetinya ikone. Izom carrot South Africa wean. Gin
like all of you are going to be customers. Customers this side. If you lie to us, we will know.
Intairium ait hasod har customer day konkan bijaha ait kida
Intairium
the har customer zai konkan subu gere ferite ndie intai zgolo zolo mabzi kulu ferite etsi maretsi ait haso haki tizarab.
Where are you from, Baba? Huh? Where are your documents? You have them?
Yeah.
Stand
abzina reka wodi dawit aftinda haya wure dizinebere Ethiopia we wala isumizom neru.
Stand aside. Who has a list or something to show that you're here to buy?
Izom abzizolo kulom hurkhati na izom tigeze dere hum nerkum meche hum misom ski areni.
Where are you from? Where are your documents? This side. Where are you from?
Mozambique.
You must sit down there.
From Mozambique.
Wa ata wodi mula bzilo wodi mona
Unangaki? Yeah. Unangaki?
34.
Uzoenza la South Africa? Uzosebenza? I-passport yakho ithi uzosebenza? Uphethe i-permit esho ukuthi wena uzosebenza? Ayisho njalo. Imangani? Where's your documents? Where are you from? Huh? Come this side. Baba, in lay list. Kuku pekai. I'm a pepper. Huh? Imangap uzothola escort ezokisa emotweni yothatha amaphepha wakho nithi. Where are you from? Yeah? Eastern Cape good baba. It's in Sakaza sakho. Isiduku sakho. Nazo imangali. Where are you from?
South Africa.
Huh?
South Africa.
South Africa. Where in South Africa?
Here.
No, I'm asking you where in South Africa. Not yet. This is a shop.
I'm South Africa.
Where in South Africa? This is a shop. Where in South? I don't want to see your ID. I'm asking you where are you from in South Africa?
I'm South African. I'm telling you, I'm South African.
I'm not asking you if you're South African or not. I'm asking you where are you
Here
from in South Africa?
Where
were you born?
Yeah. I'm South African.
Where are you from?
Stand aside. Home Affairs will come compare.
Hiji bikuluhum ab Kampala zukomet sabat sidetinya hurwat zebrukan simhawe tubugere feriti abnatu chano kid rayo mas hurhati jomir mas hiji totawabirum sedemta emirichawi na iz adi jomililo bifira izo ab Kampala zukomet ka sedetinya ab Kampala zolo maretsi etiawi Ethiopiawi Kongrawi we Rwandawi zone beka dahar koftulo OPM dahar gizaleka kid urhat na isedetinya gize alaha kulugize shughuli hagati mkum ab Kampala mareti buzwatalo sabat wala izombal police kulugize mishet guya ndagaberu kulugize ab Kampala police law Yekenile Alex. What did you see? Kampala. Ciao.
ID number. Don't touch my ID.
You must not have an attitude, Wena.
Yeah.
You must not have an attitude.
This is my ID. Don't touch.
Who else?
South Africa.
Come this side. I see you having this. Where are your documents? Shut. Stand this side.